Hello, YouTubers. So, I hope everyone is enjoying their day. Today I decided to prepare some tutorials regarding Vue.js. Now, don't worry if you are new to Vue.js because I would be teaching you the basic framework for Vue.js and how it could be implemented in real-time project. Basically, Vue.js is a JavaScript framework. So if you have heard about Model View Controller, which is a design paradigm, so in MVC, which is called as a short form, V stands for this complete Vue.js. So we could be replaced here with Vue.js. It doesn't involve any kind of a server thing. It's a complete client-side framework. Vue.js is also used for single page applications. Now, I think like most of you must have heard about single page application as it is being developed in many another frameworks, which is AngularJS, Knockout.js. There are many another frameworks that is used to build single page application. Now, what does single page applications mean? Single page application is just a single page in which when a user navigates to different pages, it doesn't refresh the page, it just refresh the view. So you have only one page as an entry point, and within that one page the views are being replaced. So we will see this in our next tutorial where I would be building a application which would be involving Vue.js framework. So it's a very powerful framework. It is also used to modularize the JavaScript code and could be very powerful in building enterprise applications. So I have not decided in this framework which application I am going to build. So I am thinking of to build to-do app using Vue.js because once you see this framework in real time, then you will get a clear idea what it is about. So this is what this playlist series would be about, and hope I think that you would be overexcited to learn what Vue.js provides to us, and you would have a happy learning stage. So thank you so much for your time. In the next tutorial, we will be getting our hands dirty over Vue.js framework. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.